As following step in the workflow, we create the 7SX82 device. First we click on Add New Device, and then use the shortcode that we got from the SIPROTEC 5 configurator. Copy and paste it here in the box. Click on Verify and continue with the creation. We can select one of the existing application templates. For us, the one with 4 currents and 4 voltages offers the best fit. At this point, we are not going to modify the amount of function points. At the end, when we have our configuration ready, we can see the exact amount of function points that our application requires, set it as existing in the configuration, and then download the corresponding DAF file from the SIPROTEC function point configurator and upload it into the device. Let's continue with the creation of the 7SX82. Here it is. We got alarms, which correspond to the function points mismatch since the device has 0, and this standard configuration requires 92. But this is still not the configuration that we want to have at the end. We want to have the configuration of our former device, the 7SJ82. So, the next step is to import the TEAX file previously exported, and for that, we click right on the device, select Import, and look for the corresponding TEAX file. Import the complete configuration. The 7SJ82 is the source and the destination is the 7SX82. Here we get a warning because there is a mismatch between the two devices. That's okay. We are going from a 7SJ82 to a 7SX82. So, we are doing it consciously. Now, we can proceed with the import. Once the process is finished, we can a quick cross-check by comparing the function groups and protection functions of both devices. We got again a warning. Therefore, now we should add the corresponding amount of function points. We can take it from the warning, or we can go to the device information, function points, where we see a total of 264 function points used. To update, we go to Device Settings. With SIPROTEC 5, we have currently 2 options. We can use the function points class as it was in the old device. The 7SJ82 was having base plus 175 function points, or we can select the classless option, with the advantage that we can use exactly the required amount of function points. So we need 264, and then we use only 264. So let's go again to Device Configuration, Function Points, and check that we have exactly what we need. Save the project, and we are ready. Check out the next video to learn how to download the DAF file for the universal device using SIPROTEC Function Point Manager. For more useful how-to videos on electrification and automation, go to siemens.com/protips.